What's up, guys?
There's the culprit there, bud. Rod bolt. That shit's gone. I think you guys have mosquitoes at your house. Welcome back. Really windy out today. Look what I got with us. Oh, Chandler, you came and visited?
I know, my yearly visit.
Visited. Cars are in staging right now. So the wife turned this thing off because it's gonna be hot as fuck out. And I know everybody's gonna call right now. Yeah, I need a haircut. I know. Shave it all off. I get it. You want to turn this thing off? Miss Race Car Driver?
Officially official.
Huh?
It's officially official.
You gonna race it?
Yeah, I'll get my license for it today.
Oh, thanks. So today we are finishing up our licensing passes. So after our last pass last time, the track informed me we need to get our NHRA license, which I've been needing to get anyways. I had tried to get it before with the car, but there were some things that didn't get filled out correctly, so that's why I didn't end up getting it after doing it. So now starting over from scratch, we went ahead and knocked out some on Friday night. It is Sunday during the day now. So we got all the slower passes done. Didn't care to show you guys because it's just slower passes to get that done. And then today is full passes, so just gonna treat it like normal. Same map is loaded in the car. Hopefully we may see a new personal best day, or at least improve on what we have. It'd be a great day if that happens. It's gonna be pretty hot today, so we'll see. Old Justin, I see you brought the right hat for today. I need to go get a hat before the rest of my hair blows away. You got a little girl out, Fab Shop. So hopefully today's a burnout day. Second gear burnout, ride it out, get them some heat in them tires because we've been having nothing but issues with spinning. So burnout day. FP Black is on this thing for you guys that remember we put this on. Justin got scared the last time, so he let out. Mainly he missed a gear. I was waiting for it.
What's up, guys?
There it was. I knew that was coming. Chris is out here squirting. So we're gonna do things through tech, and then I'm not sure how organized it's gonna be today on when we're gonna get the run. So you may see me later when I'm dying of sweat. It works.
I think this time Justin has found out that burnouts are a lot more helpful, so we just got it wet down, and I think Justin's about to do his burnout. Am I telling him to go forward? left lane here, but Josh is up next, so I'm gonna try my best to run over there to get Josh's pass as well. Justin's PB, that was a 10.2 at 142. With a bogged launch, there's most definitely a 9 in this car today.
I swear I have the curse of the 10.2s.
Let's go, buddy. That was Justin's PB, wasn't it? With the bogged launch. If you guys heard that, that was a 10.0 at 128. Something happened there. We'll get Josh's input once he comes around.
Now it is. Hi, Chris.
Hi. Well, we just got the phone call. Josh is off the track, but it looks like his motor finally went out. Not quite sure. We're gonna go down there and see what's going on. It's unfortunate because he was on the last 2 passes to get his NHRA license, and that was 1 pass. He needed 1 more today, but it looks like that's not gonna happen. I'm coming.
Like that jump?
We're coming to save you, Josh.
Yes, it's just that you had to run to a different thing. I got the curse of the 10.2s.
What's the number?
It's 300. At least he got his slip.
The slip is all fucked up. The slip says it went a 2.4 at the 60 foot and a 6.7 at the 8th, and it definitely did not. it matches the mile an hour, 125 at the 8th, and this is 126. But this timing on this is all fucked up. This said 378 at the core, or the 330, 570 at the 8th, 90, 132. So the bad news here, I need 2 more passes because I didn't go 135 faster. So we'll watch today. Anyway, at least we didn't travel all the way to IFO for the first pass to be fucked up though. There is a win out of this.
Very true.
And I knew that was coming, by the way. Those rod bolts and rods, not rated for what we're doing, but they've been making it happen this year, getting the car dialed, which I think the car is pretty well dialed now to where she deserves her rightful motor again. But why does Justin come back here? Justin was getting in line. Yeah, why is he coming back? Nope. Kicked you? Ain't no way. For what? Huh? No way.
You gotta get a license now?
Oh my. She just looked at you instantly and said no? Really? Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Well,
Unfortunate.
damn. Damn. What'd the Prelude do? I didn't get to see.
Full fledged.
14. Damn. So guys, this, I didn't show you what's going on with this. I tuned this yesterday. All drive K series for what I know, first one in the world right now. And stock motor, stock trans, clutch that's not hanging on. I told him it would probably do high 12s, 13s. It made 360 on gate yesterday, which was like 6 pounds on pump gas. So
I can take that one back to a full.
what? Oh, here's Remy. He's pissed. They kicked him.
I don't want to say her name. You
No.
are.
The lake. No, not the lake. What am I saying? You're kicked. No, I'm not going to the lake.
They kicked you
No.
for running over 135.
I'm going to the lake.
You're going to the lake?
home.
Yeah, I'm going to the lake.
I'm going to home.
I'm going home.
Damn. Hey, at least I didn't drive all the way to Seattle for me to chuck a rod.
Thankfully.
You're still together.
Yeah.
Man,
I'll run the 25th.
she won't let you here.
Damn, she won't.
No, you're kicked from here for ever. Now you gotta travel with us. Why you gotta be so fast? Now you would have fucking connected your shifts better. Now you disconnect
The
them.
shifts were fine. It
Ride
was
the
just
gear
the
out.
bog. It was the bog.
Was
the
it?
bog. A bog.
How'd you bog? Not good at prep, huh? The burnout helped. It looked like it was fast.
And I'm still used to that 6 pedal.
Yeah.
Not used to it yet.
Oh, you came off fast, huh?
Came off too quick.
Yeah. Damn, so 1020 and 142, baby.
No, that's it.
I'm not
Yeah,
that
she's getting there. FP Black. Mine, not so much. Damn. So, like I was saying, I knew this was coming. This is number 18 passes at 1,000 plus wheel. The limiter is a bit too high, won't you say, Chris?
What?
My limiter is a little high. 10,000 RPMs on ARP 2000 rod bolts. Probably not ideal. I know it's not ideal, but
I would argue it's not even acceptable.
not even acceptable. Yeah, I don't know if this will show it. Number 3 or 4 back there is checked out.
For the dragon.
I don't know what was going on with the timing system. It even said I red light, and I definitely didn't red light. I'm pretty good at not doing that, because then I think I don't get a time. I'm going off draggy. I'll put up a photo of the draggy so you guys can see it and you guys can decide. But end of the day, it did in fact lose the motor for those that are watching, and I couldn't be happier because the car is now working. We've focused a lot on this car this year to be able to be here, and I didn't expect this motor to go this far at all, let alone give me an 8. Like, I couldn't be more thrilled about that, to be honest. So I'm gonna take that away with it, and we'll see if I put another one in before the end of the year. Our season is kind of coming to an end anyways. It's coming to the end of August. I do need 2 more licensing passes, so I'll probably figure that portion out.
It didn't count.
Didn't count. So I mean, it wouldn't be a bad thing to put the new motor in here and have it turned down and kind of use it as like a break-in for the new motor a little bit to do the 135 mile an hour, because I know I can put this thing down on like 30 pounds and it does mid 140s to high 140s. So probably do that. Busy as ever, so like I said, I'm not quite sure if I'll get a motor in it before the end of the year, but you guys know how that goes. Once I see everyone racing, I want to race. So I know I took my hat off, now I look like shit again. Everybody's gonna be in here. Fucking shave your head. What the fuck are you doing? Looks and pal. Boy doesn't have enough time. So that's why I come in here. I got a hat. Thanks, Cobb. All right, I'm gonna get this thing loaded up. We don't want to spend the whole day at the track. Oh God, here we go. I'm good, bitch.
You oil the goddamn track now.
I don't know what you're talking about, pal. All right, we're back at the shop. Justin drove his car back. 10.2, 142 today. Definitely has enough power to go 9s. If our boy would learn how to drive one day. We're back. I just tried for shits and giggles. Turn this thing over. Here, you guys can hear it. I think there's a problem in there. Might be a problem.
Start.
Yeah.
If you have to buy another motor, that means I get wheels for the Audi.
How's it feel to want?
It feels great.
She's on me about these wheels. No, we got another motor. We can put it in. I didn't expect this one to go this long in life. Now we got a sorted car. I don't feel bad about putting the real motor in the car. So now we're done with our test motor. She gave her heart out for us. I can't be mad at it.
18 passes.
Yeah. 17 and a half technically.
Yeah, fair.
That was my half. Man, at this rate, you should get a stage 4 to get your car to work. And then when they're working, you put the real motor in, we're good to go.
Exactly.
And you're not beating up that expensive motor.
Every time.
Hey, we could put some 625 plus rod bolts in there. That's what let go, guys.
That's true.
And then we'd be good. They make
They
make Manley H Tufts with ARP 625s.
Well, my I-beam should be good.
Yeah, your
I-beams
IB,
whatever.
same thing. So it lost it on the 3/4 shift. You can still see the rod, it's there. The cap's gone. So we'll look at that failure a little bit later, but I'm gonna wrap up the video here. This thing is such a mess. There's shit everywhere, so I'm leaving that for another day. Oh, I'm so, yeah, we just gotta keep cleaning her up. Look at your street car over there. You almost gotta cut your plate so
I know.
that way it fits. All right, I'm gonna put this stuff away. We're going to get food. That's gonna wrap it up. Short video for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. Yep, I broke my shit again, like usual. Hate all you want. Bye. Last bit to end this video out. There's the culprit there, bud. Rod bolt. That shit's gone. This is half of a cap. That shit. And by the way, my crossover pipe, she done. Damn. Damn. Hopefully they got another one.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living